Hello from the Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Today we are heading over to Piñones to rent some bikes, ride the bikes along the boardwalk, check out the oceanfront, and maybe the nature preserve. So let's go explore beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we're bringing you along for the ride. Let's go have some fun. From the Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino, we made the short drive over to Paseo Tablado de Piñones, a charming oceanfront neighborhood east of San Juan. Here, we rented bicycles from Corporation Piñones Se Integra.
Pass under the bridge, beneath the bridge, and continue straight.
Okay.
This area is a little hill up, and then the boardwalk continue.
Okay.
Blue one is the that road.
Oh, okay.
The brown is the boardwalk.
Okay.
Usually the people who rent bikes this area, the final part.
Okay.
And all this area is beautiful sights.
Okay.
You don't need to complete the tour.
Okay. We explored the beachfront boardwalk lined with authentic local food kiosks, restaurants and shops, and of course, breathtaking views. This 11-kilometer nature trail is a series of boardwalk, gravel, and paved surfaces along the northern Puerto Rico coastline and through lush mangrove forests.
Yeah, kind of just ends.
So we are here and we have a beautiful beach just behind us all to ourselves. I mean, what more could you ask for? Sunshine, an empty beach, palm trees. Just absolutely perfect day here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. So we started our bike ride all the way out there and went around on the boardwalk. Came around, went through this little nature grove here, then came out to the boardwalk again, parked our bikes, and then we ended up on this pier here and we're just taking in the views. Beautiful ocean, beautiful palm trees, all the lush vegetation. There goes a plane taking off at the airport right behind us. Absolutely gorgeous day. And he's going further out. What is he doing? Anything for the shot. Jared will literally do anything for the shot. Gotta step where the screw holes are, or you might end up falling through. The weather has not been kind to this boardwalk. Are you back there?
Yeah, I'm back here.
This is very pretty in here. Oh wow, yeah, this is gorgeous. I would run through here every day if I could live here. This is perfect. This is what I want.
Rooster.
in the next. The ocean to our left. Beautiful vegetation all around us. Yeah, a little bit of a workout. Oh, wow. Wow. Beautiful. Rock formation out there.
After exploring the beaches of Terraple and La Pesita de Piñones, we found ourselves at the most beautiful oceanfront bar, Piñones Loíta, to grab a bite and a beverage.
We are here at the waterfront Piñones Grill. It's a restaurant and grill. We're gonna grab something to drink, maybe a bite to eat. Look over the beautiful ocean views. The bikes are right there. Here's the menu. It's hard to see. Thinking about the Piñones assortment. Comes with codfish fritters. They want to come in. Yeah. Aww.
It's a popular fritter dish from Puerto Rico.
What's in it? Main ingredients: banana,
Four large green plantain, peeled and chopped into pieces.
Let's try it. Earlier we were out on this point here. It's where Jared was out getting the sea spray. And now we are here enjoying a lovely mojito. What do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Spicy mayo?
Only one way to find out.
Let me see the inside.
Oh, good.
Hold still. What do you see in there?
Beef.
Okay. Spicy? What? Good?
They're hot though.
So we have an assortment of sauces here.
I've tried all.
Of course, Jared's tried all of them.
I like this vinegar and oil.
What's this one?
That's a drink bar. There's really not much to that one.
And then this one is the spicy one here, this red one. It's just hot sauce. Traditional hot sauce.
Yeah, I mean it's good. It's oily.
So which one do you like the best?
Well, this one doesn't have a whole lot to it.
Are alcaparias. They're basically fritters. Delicious.
I bet the fish is good.
Yeah. So we ordered these because it said it was cod fritters. Then she said that they don't have the cod. So we got beef. They're really good. Kind of like an empanada, you know.
Try these.
No, I didn't try those yet. Those are
Really good.
plantain chips.
Well, it's like they got herbs in them. They don't just taste like a plantain. Like they're kind of salty.
Okay.
See like the herbs and stuff in them?
Yeah, I can see them baked in. Yeah, these are actually really good. I don't typically like plantains.
They don't even taste like plantains.
Not at all. Very good. I would eat a whole bag of those.
Yeah.
Really, really good. We were just biking along the boardwalk and I said to stop somewhere. Jared picked this place. Good choice. You chose well. So there's a cruise ship right out there. That is so cool.
We truly enjoyed our ride through Piñones on this sunny Friday afternoon, filled with authentic local food, beautiful beachfront, the boardwalk, and through the lush mangroves. There are little parties and live music everywhere along the way. We enjoyed the friendly faces, the ocean breeze, the views, and of course the authentic Puerto Rican culture. If you decide to visit Piñones, weekends are when it's busy. Also, this boardwalk is not for the faint of heart, as it can be treacherous in spots. Luckily, we were warned ahead of time and we knew what to expect. But if you feel unsafe riding your bike over a few of the boards, it's probably best to walk around instead. Let us know how you'd spend the day in San Juan. As always, thanks for traveling with us, and stay tuned for more from our adventures here in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Hello from the Jared's stretching in the background.
What happened?